everybody, this is Acer Crazy, and today I got Pokemon toys.
Pokemon Mega something.
Mega Bannette and Pikachu versus Mudkip and Treecko versus Torchic.
Let me get a close up of each of them. Show us the back of one. Are all the backs different or all the backs the same?
They're all the same.
There's the back. It shows. Let it focus. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. All the ones you can get.
Yeah.
Looks like you're just missing one. Looks like you're just missing that.
Mega Albofull.
Yeah.
So let's open this pack first.
Open one up.
Okay. I know how to open this. Cause look, see this? There's a thing to open. You just like crack it like this.
Which one is this?
Treecko versus Torchic. Now, oh my gosh, they're actually...
He's got his Pokemon balloons up there.
Yeah, look at that, 8. Wait a minute, look, this has like rubber bands.
You just want to show it in the pack for now?
Yeah.
Let's see. Whoops. Posed for battle, it says. And there they are. You can't pop them out?
That's because they're like in these like strings.
Oh, okay. Now what's the next one?
Pikachu versus Mudkip.
Pikachu versus Mudkip.
I like how they're like so these are like open, right?
Yeah. Here is Pikachu and Mudkip. You gotta keep it straight. Right now it's tilted forward. More straight. There we go. That's awesome. What does the back look like? There it is. Okay. I wish you could get these out, but oh well.
Yeah. Now, I'm not dating it.
Hold it up straight. There it is. Oh, this one has articulation.
Yeah.
That's cool. Maybe we'll show these in your next video when they're out.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like subscribe videos. Bye.
Wait, I want to see the paper.
Oh
Probably everybody wants to see the paper.
Oh my gosh, it's gigantic. Here's the front. Wait a minute, it's everywhere. Wait.
That's awesome. Hold it straight.
Look
at this. I'm going to try to get it close.
This is more like
Hold it still so we can focus. Look at this. That's an awesome poster.
Okay. Turn it out. Oh my. Oh.
I told you it was cool. Okay, hold it still. You got to hold it still because then it can't focus. All the different Pokemon. Let me get closer. There we go.
I really like the Mega Charizard.
I really like that front poster. Show the front again because that was really cool.
I like the black and blue Charizard.
It's really cool. Look at that.
I also like the Greninja and the Pokemon Trainer and all that.
Ooh, a lot of cool things. Okay.
Okay. So, like, if you guys can video.